What if one continent had the world's largest rainforest, the longest mountain range, incredible wildlife, and ancient lost cities? Welcome to South America, one of the most breathtaking and diverse places on earth. South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere and is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean on the east and the Pacific Ocean on the west. It is connected to the North America through the narrow Isthmus of Panama. The continent consists of 12 countries, with Brazil being the largest and most populated. Other well-known countries include Argentina, Peru, Colombia, Chile, and Venezuela. Millions of people live across these nations, each with unique cultures, traditions, and languages. One of the greatest natural wonders of South America is the Amazon rainforest. It is the largest rainforest on earth and covers millions of square kilometers. Flowing through it is the mighty Amazon River, one of the longest and most powerful rivers in the world. This rainforest is home to thousands of plant species and amazing animals like jaguars, sloths, and colorful macaws. Along the western side of the continent runs the Andes Mountains, the longest mountain range on earth. These mountains stretch through several countries and are home to beautiful landscapes and ancient history. High in the Andes of Peru lies the famous lost city of Machu Picchu, built by the powerful Inca civilization hundreds of years ago. South America is also famous for its rich culture. Music, dance, and festivals are a big part of life here. One of the most famous celebrations is the Carnival in Brazil, where millions of people celebrate with colorful costumes, samba music, and huge parades. From the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains, and from ancient civilizations to vibrant modern cultures, South America is truly a continent full of wonders. And this is just a small glimpse of what makes South America so amazing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.